Welcome to Brickmac Studio and the second episode of building my giant MOC. To being able to do so, I need a lot of bricks, and so I was shopping in my favorite store and I got some bricks I want to show you today. First we have 1 kilo of 1x2 bricks in dark bluish gray. 1 kilo of 1x2 in light bluish gray. 1 kilo 1x3 in light bluish gray. 1 kilo 1x3 in dark bluish gray. 1 kilo of 1x4 in light bluish gray. 2 kilo of 1x4 in dark bluish gray. 1 kilo in 1x6 in dark bluish gray. And another kilo of 1x6 in dark bluish gray. 2 kilo of 1x6 in light bluish gray. Then I got some black Technic bricks, 1x16. It's around half a kilo, I think. And also a bit more in light bluish gray, 1x16. I need a lot of them for building the frame. Then I got plates, 8x16, 1 kilo. It's for the upper and bottom side. One kilo 2x12 plates. I thought for the feet maybe I need those. These are 2x6 bricks in dark bluish gray. And I got 2 kilos in light bluish gray, 2x6. Then I think it's 300 each, 1x1 bricks in dark and light bluish gray. Some Technic lift arms in black and some smaller ones. Then I got here some Technic bricks in light bluish gray in different sizes. And those are with corners. I think they are very helpful to connect the bridge which is in the middle of the ship into the frame. Another part of bricks, and here I have those frames from Technic bricks in many different sizes, because with them I want to build the flooring. So I got also these big ones here. And then the last package. Many tubes in different sizes and very long ones, because I want to build some functions inside and I think I could need them. Then Technic lift arms, but those in light bluish gray. Small hinges, the upper and the bottom part. Then wedge plates for the left and the right side, 2 different ones. Pin connectors. You need very, very much of them in this MOC. Those, I bought 3 of them for the engines. And these are for experimenting with for the interior. Maybe I need them. Those are 1x1 round plates. Then I got here all the stuff I need for the new way of connecting my frames, like I showed you in the last video. And there I have some special parts I'm gonna show you. And I need some help because these are for computer stuff and like that. And it would be very helpful if you could leave me in the comments down below which parts I should buy to have a special Star Wars design like those. And I prefer prints and not the other ones that have stickers on them. So thank you very much if you could help. Then I have here, those are some newer parts. 1x2 plates with rounded corners in light bluish gray and dark bluish gray. Some Technic lift arms in light bluish gray. Those are special Technic lift arms with holes on 2 different sides. I think they can also be very helpful. And I think I got them in different sizes. Yes, here, smaller ones. And then 1x2 bricks with 1 hole inside. The same ones with 2 holes inside. And then a lot of different, what is it? Is it brackets? Because I'm thinking about in the interior design, if I shall build the design with bricks or with plates, and then I'm gonna fix with those parts. The second version would be very lighter or much lighter than the other one. So I have to see. And then I got many different ball joints and different connectors just to have enough to build. And those ones I bought for experimenting with the flooring. Maybe I can make some nice design inside. So that's it. A lot of bricks, maybe too much for my MOC, but I think it's better to have more than less. Let me tell you something about the shop where I got all this stuff. It's called Wobrick and sells only Gobricks, which are one of the best bricks you can get in the market. Some of you may now say that only Lego is real one, but I think Lego had its time. They are expensive and the quality isn't that good anymore. I also hear very often that on the second market, you only get a good price for the Lego bricks, but not for other ones. But to be honest, do you really want to sell your bricks? I don't. And I believe that this will change in the next years, that Lego is the brick that brings you the most money on the second market. So I decided to buy most of my parts at their store, because with these masses I save a lot. Let me explain you why you should give them a try. You can buy their parts as single ones, or like I do, mostly in kilos, which are between 15 and 20% cheaper. And the bricks are one of the best you can get, and the shop has a great service. They offer mostly a discount of 8%, and sometimes on holidays and so it's around 12%. And with my code, which you can find down in the description, you'll get another 5% on top. So in total it's 17%. And when you buy it in kilos, it's in total around 30% you can save. Another good thing is if you're from Europe, like I am, then you can save much more because the prices are in US dollar. And the euro is actually very strong. So it's another 10 to 15% you can save. So check it out. You don't have anything to lose, and yeah, could be great for you. Next time I will show you the process of my MOC, and so be excited about, and see you next time. Goodbye.